recently did a video on cove base. As I was doing the video, this little technique right here came to my mind. I wanted to test it out before I brought it to the public. And I have tested it with a handful of different pieces, and I have 100% success rate with this. You're never going to have a weak spot in the corner where you shave this amount off, and your corner is going to stay put and never pull off or anything like that. This is the secret. Check it out. See that gully I just shaved there? Voila. Fill that up with hot glue. Throw that bad boy around there. It only takes hot glue a second, literally just like 5 or 6 seconds to set up, and you have a perfect solid corner